uMalema uphawulile ngesenzo se-IEC sokuphonsela inselele isinqumo senkantolo yezokhetho eyanquma ukuba owabe ngumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma angenele ukhetho oluzoba ngenyanga kaNhlaba.
It's really very, very personal. And by doing that, they are keeping President Zuma in the news. By doing that, they are making President Zuma gather rallies outside every court appearance. So the court appearances are being organized by the IEC.
uMalema ubuye wakhwela wadilika eqenjini i-ANC ngokuhluleka ukubuyela emandleni uma like lakhishwa. Uthe uma i-ANC ike yaketulwa emandleni KwaZulu-Natal akayiboni iphinde ivuka.
And the good thing with the ANC is that when it loses, it never recovers. They ruled Western Cape, they declined. They ruled KZN now. There is no chance of coming back.
Leli qembu lithi alinayo inkinga ekubuseni ngokubambisana namanye amaqembu ezombusazwe kuphela nje uma enezinjongo ezifanayo nezalo. Enkulu kuzo ukuthathwa komhlaba ngaphandle kwesinxephezelo.
We don't have a problem with a coalition government. We think it's the most workable solution to political arrogancy and sins of the incumbents.
PFF kulindeleke ukuba ibe nombuthano womkhankaso wokhetho enkundleni iPeter Mokaba eLimpopo mhla zingama-25 kwephezulu.